The purpose of this video is to show how to register for classes. So let's get started. Navigate to the registration screen by clicking Registration on the menu bar. Log in to the SOAR website by entering your username and password and clicking the orange Login button. Keep in mind, username and password are both case sensitive. Notice my username starts with an uppercase J. That is how I entered it when I created my username. If I entered it now with a lowercase j, it would be invalid. We recommend that you use upper and lowercase letters along with numbers in your username and your password. When I'm logged in, my name is displayed in the welcome box. A pending registration box is also displayed to keep track of the number of classes I've selected. Announcements and information about classes can be found on this page. And listed here are brief instructions on how to search for classes. I will select Spring 2016. I'm searching for classes, which is already selected, so I'll click Search. The first 10 classes are loaded on the screen, and the message showing 1 through 10 of 77 is displayed. This means that there are 77 classes for the Spring 2016 term, and the first 10 are listed on this page. If you click Next, classes 11 through 20 will be listed. You can scroll through all of the classes, 10 at a time, by clicking Next. If I don't want to look through all of the available classes, I can filter the list by subject category by making a selection here. I'll choose Film and click the search key. With the film filter on, 1 through 4 of 4 classes are displayed. I'm going to choose the class Popcorn and Paranoia. If I click on the title, I get a more detailed description of the class and the instructor. I'll go ahead and select Register for this class. That brings me to a confirmation screen where I need to click on the box next to my name. After I check the box next to my name, a window pops up to ask if I'd like to volunteer to help with the class. You can answer yes or no to any of the questions and click the orange Continue button. I am returned to the confirmation page where I'll click the orange Register button. A message displays saying that my selection has been saved and my pending registration box now shows 1 pending registration. There is now an orange checkout button in the pending registration box. But let's add another class first. Click Search for more classes. Next, I'll clear the subject filter by setting it back to Any. This time I'll filter by instructor. Let's select Wendy Evans and click the orange search button. She's teaching one class. I don't have to go back to the detail page on this class. I can register by clicking here. Again, the confirmation screen is displayed, and I need to click the box next to my name to confirm my request. Next, the volunteer pop-up window appears. You don't have to answer the questions if you're not interested. You can just click Continue. Entering yes adds your name to a pool. If they need your services, you will receive a confirmation email separate from registration. I am returned to the registration screen. Here, I'll click the orange Register button. A message is displayed saying that my selection has been saved, and my pending registration box now shows 2 pending registrations. That's all I'm going to register for now. I can come back and add more later. So I'll click the orange Checkout button here in the pending registration box. My class choices are displayed on this screen, which serves as a checkout confirmation screen. Classes can be removed at this point by clicking Remove. Click the orange Continue button to proceed with registering for the classes displayed. My registration request is processed, and a page is displayed when the process has been completed. I can click here for a printable page for my records. I click, and a print page is displayed. I'll click the Print this page link for a printout of my classes. Finally, I click the Close Window button to close the print page. And that completes the registration process.